Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name is Shail and in this video I will show you how you can install themes on your device manually if you have Electra Jailbroken iOS device. But make sure that your device is running iOS 11.2 and have an Electra app and an Anemone app on your device. If you don't know how to jailbreak iOS 11.2 or older, please check the link in the description. I have already explained how to jailbreak iOS 11. But in this video you will learn how to install themes manually on your device using a PC. So there just need of a third-party application which is known as CyberDuck. You can download the application using the link in the description. I have already downloaded. CyberDuck is the app we are going to use in the tutorial. Here is the software first look. What you have to do is just to check the open connection button, and here you will have to select SSH file transfer protocol. In here you have to enter the IP address of your iPhone Wi-Fi. For me, it is IP address of my iPhone I have connected. And if you don't know what's the IP address of your iPhone Wi-Fi, just go into the settings and then go into the Wi-Fi and tap the I button to which you have connected, and you will get the iPhone Wi-Fi address. So in here you have to enter the username and password. If you don't have changed the password and the username, use the default. Username is root and the password is Alpine. Just connect the button and leave the settings. Hit the allow button. It may take a while, so you will get the screen like in here. Just go here and drop the menu. From here, go into the first section, which is what track root. Like I said, you will get the files. In here you just have to enter the bootstrap. Okay, in the bootstrap you just have to enter library. In the library you will get the themes folder. In here you have to just upload the theme you want on your device. I have already installed Lotus on my device, but I'm gonna teach you how to install another theme. Like in here I'm gonna use Music because it is a well-known. Just hit the upload button and go to the directory where you have saved the theme. I have given the file link in the description. You can use the link to download this theme, but make sure that the file you're gonna enter into the folder must have .theme extension. So in here I'm gonna use this folder. You just have to extract this file and you will get this. Just choose this file and just again allow. Wait a while and your theme will be on your device Depending on the file size, it will take the time. If you don't have subscribed my channel, please hit the red subscribe button for future uploads. So the file is completely uploaded on my device. Here you can see the Muse3 folder is here, and then just disconnect and close the app. Now moving to the iPhone. As you can see, Lotus is already working on my device. So I have added the Muse3 theme on my device, and here you can see the second one is Muse3. Just tap it here and apply the theme you want. I'm moving the previous, and yes, let me show you how it will. Yes, you can see the new theme is here. Let me apply and I will be back. So here you can see Muse3 is working on my device, and all the icons have been replaced by the default one or the Lotus which I was using previously on my device. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment box. Like this video and support me. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching guys. It's me, Doctor, signing out.